Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel where I bring new and amazing crypto projects for all of you in which you can invest and get great profit. But one thing that I always mention is none of any project is financially advised by me. So do your own research before invest. Let's move to our project. But before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the notifications bell. Okay guys, so today in this video we are going to talk about Moxie Farm. Moxie Farm is a creative blockchain platform that blends humor with crypto technology. It offers a fun farm themed ecosystem where users can mint NFTs, connect wallets and earn token based reward. Muxi aims to build an engaging community while making blockchain simple and entertaining. Here we are to the website of the project as currently they are in their pre-sale phase, so you can buy from their pre-sale right now, and when their pre-sale will end you will be able to stake your token and earn. Here we have the pre-sale countdown, 18 days and 9 hours left for the pre-sale, and then they will end their pre-sale. So all you have to do to buy the token, you can simply connect your wallet, enter the quantity and simply buy the token. Here you can see the minimum target and their maximum target. The price is mentioned here and it will reach 60.000 so far till now. So you have to simply buy the token, milk the blockchain, moo the moon. So you can see here we have the white paper, so you can check out the white paper to know more about the project. But first you must be able to know more. So first of all, on the website we have the social channels. You can simply follow them on Twitter, Telegram, etc. to know more about the project. Like if you want to stay in touch with the team and other members of the project, you can simply go through their Telegram and join the group. And if you want to see the recent tweets, recent details, you can simply follow them on Twitter. So it's better to join their social media to stay touch and to engage with it. So here we have thought there was no humor on the blockchain. First cow in crypto that doesn't produce milk, it produces tokens. Muxi isn't just another meme coin, it is a farm themed game, a living NFT universe, a launchpad lab, and most importantly a community driven story. So what you will do in the future, you can simply connect your wallet, mint your own baby Muxi NFT, feed it, hydrate it, milk it for real rewards. This is an engaging gameplay. Then we have that what is it. Basically Moxie is a meme plus DeFi plus GameFi protocol born in the decentralized farming. Like the mission is to make you laugh while you earn, to build our DAO where the community lets to blend NFTs, gaming and finance. Then milk and state. At the heart of the Moxie ecosystem lies a powerful farm economy. Everyone who stakes Moxie tokens gradually produce milk. Then we have some of their hatching phase, their grassroots. Basically here we have their gameplay team. Like in the first start date you are going to get 0.005, then it will reach by 0.010, then as soon as it will reach 0.035 by 21 day. Then we have the Mooksy NFT rewards here. 5,000 unique Mooksy NFTs have been minted, from Samurai Mooksy to DJ Mooksy to Alien Mooksy. Each is functional and collectible. Unique in-game abilities, voting rights in DAO, access to airdrop, etc. Then Pan DAO, the herd governance, as well as we have their gameplay, live it, play it, move it. Here we are related to the white paper to know more about the project. You can see that Muxi is a blockchain. You can simply see that it is just another meme coin. It is a farm theme game, living NFT universe, launchpad, lab, and most importantly, a community driven story. Then we have the vision to make a blockchain foundation, reward system, storytelling, NFT integration, community leadership. Then Mooksy community voting topics, growing your Mooksy farm, to make a mint NFT, feed and hydrate, increase milk output, earn milk tokens and expand farming. As soon as you are going to play the game and earn by this, by earning the NFT collections, then NFT backed lending and Mooks ecosystem. So everything is mentioned here. All you have to do to check out this, we have the token allocation, 10% for sale rounds, 20% for liquidity, 15% for DAO treasury, 12% for team, 10% for community as well, 8% for partnership, 5% for game rewards. Here we have Soul Scan, so you can go to the Soul Scan as well to check the current supply and their market cap value, etc. Everything is mentioned here on Soul Scan, so you have to go through it. Then we have some more details of their lab, Memecoin Launchpad, and then token sale, the total supply, then fully verified smart contract, liquidity is locked, revoked mint authority, hidden mint, etc. Then we have allocation. You can check out the categories as well here. Then meme token analysis, and then utility, AI creators, then Cowbank, etc. And then Moogard, final word, and then crypto roadmap. So you can simply see the roadmap to know more about the project, what is the future planning of Mooksy, etc. and other details of the project. Then you can see the team, some frequently asked questions, their partners. Okay, so this was all about today. I'll drop the link in my description which you can use to access the project. Once again, let me clear that it is not a financial advice. Do your own research before investing. This is the new engaging gameplay. You can buy the token, play the game, and get NFT collection to earn more. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like more videos, subscribe to my channel, and press the notification bell. Happy earning with Mooksy.